All right, so we see this matter we concern Nnamdi Kanu. Yesterday we talk say in trial they start yesterday, and now inside the news as of today we see say the Department of State Services they don't fail to produce Nnamdi Kanu for trial yesterday. In no show. Even his supporters, they don't allow him inside the court. And because of that, courts don't move this matter. Go October 21, 2021. Now, when we look inside the news, one of the reasons where the DSS give, they say a logistics issue. Now, the word they use, logistics, aka transportation, to move them.
From where to where?
You know, so we talk that we don't forget say
logistics.
Plenty.
Yes, he has so many meetings, but he mean moving now. Logistics generally can be moving. You dey catch cruise. You dey catch cruise. No. You dey catch cruise. He say logistics will be planning.
Yes, logistics
planning.
To move somebody from where he is to.
Okay, so they think they are thinking it. Now when they come delay say he appear for court.
Listen to this one. See, they not get problem with the logistic way move out for Kenya reach Nigeria. They not get logistic problem before they feel from here come out go where they for catch them. So it don't come reach their hand now for the same Abuja to Abuja.
Logistic.
But you know say people don't send their delegates. Ohanes and Igbo don't send their delegates. People don't send delegates. They don't want yes say they should bed mama fly. Now why the logistics they have to think it?
I ask you now. Ohanes and Igbo.
Ohanes and Igbo.
I not be Igbo man, not verse. They not get a logistic problem. Even Showore human rights activists we fair contest for presidency. Even still there with to gain a voice from wherever it dey match go to front of the High Court. It not get logistic problem. Now federal government or a department of a federal government now can't get logistic problem to transport their I want put her now to transport that now victim be now to transport their victim from inside prison or where they lock and put to court so they want for judge the case. You know, see, what do you say me at all? Which question I want ask? They want put word for my mouth, Abi. They want put Nigeria for trouble because of Nnamdi Kanu. So I just tired for this government. I for like make Mr. Okpa throw some light into this thing.
Before we go answer further question for inside the show this morning, make I just also add join and say even Sunday Igboho trial they continue today for inside the Cotonou, and that was a closed door. Closed door setting. But then there's this particular thing we say it is very very peculiar with both Sunday Igboho case yesterday and even Nnamdi Kanu, and that one are the issue of people where they don't allow them to enter inside the courtroom. For Nigeria, at least we know say access to inside the courtroom no be something we say they hard like that. When they carry out our legal processes here. So the thing now they surprise me now say firstly you stop some journalists from covering the matter. Then of course people will say they come to actually witness the case. They don't allow them enter inside the court, and even some legal practitioners. Some lawyers they don't allow them. The same thing happened for Cotonou too. When we say some people from here go Cotonou, they don't still allow them to actually witness the case. I don't know whether any explanation there as regards that one. What can I talk to you by this morning?
Yesterday we talked about the same person will not get anything, any reason to worry, not get anything to fear. The way these two matter they go for these two locations. With their relationship, the way they relate, make we not forget these two individuals they agitate for political reasons. Even though government get other reasons we believe say they're supposed to hold them. We know the one of Nnamdi Kanu, even though they never file any additional charges before the court. We know how the matter takes stand. Say on the 11 count charge where they filed against them long ago. So they don't strike out 6 of those charges down to 5. Now, since where they catching up, they can't bring and come back. Would they yesterday they don't go back to that 11th count? They include all terrorism. They include the felon. They include everything from on top of them. But as at yesterday, at least the much we hear from the lawyer of Nnamdi Kanu say all this time, 1 month.
They never
go court, go effect the changes where they want to make. At least bring the fresh charges.
Okay.
If they don't actually decide, so it could be bring those fresh charges. What's be the issue? Why Why? Then the what we hear now say, and only 10 journalists go enter, this one not go enter, this one not go enter, and then we see how everything play out. So the big question just like ours now, why? Why it be say it is important to make Nigerians not get complete, unrestricted access to witness this trial by themselves? Remember the story where person tell you, it not be like the one where you hear by where you see by yourself. A story is best if you witness them by yourself, so I go tell the story, because they always talk, even as our work journalism, they say if you keep 50 journalists for one place, maybe they observe one thing, each of them go see that thing from different angles, and also they go tell their stories. But if you reduce the number of people who go witness that event, you're actually reducing the scope of our perception of that event. You just tell us that only 10 angles we go actually see this event from, as against unlimited angles to the same story. Now the danger of waiting government they play at, whether not government or whether not the court or whether not DSS or whoever they're responsible for compiling that list. But the important thing is that whoever they're responsible to compile that list, he actually know the material right now. Now who enforced the list? Because eventually they enforce that list. Security operatives enforce that list. So who authorized the enforcement of that list if government want to? Because some people they argue, say, not be government, not be even court. They claim that the Judiciary Correspondent Association and then compile list. Okay. But who give order to enforce the list? Whoever give order to enforce that list is the sole beneficiary of the attempt to actually restrict the media coverage of that event.
May I ask you something concerning media coverage?
Now relates to the Igboho.
Okay.
Now the Igboho own. For another jurisdiction.
All right.
Not be inside Nigeria.
Okay.
The same shady kind of arrangement won't go on with that one. Why?
Now what's that they come to the term where you use shady? Meaning say it get a CB.
It get a CB.
If they want to do a closed door court session, say they don't want to allow some journalists in, or they won't allow certain number of journalists in.
Why?
Maybe because of some reasons where they never bring out clear.
No.
Now you tell I'm shady.
The law they very clear as to the kind of cases where they feel restrict media coverage. There are some cases. Now everybody know, even journalists know. So you get some kind of case where they do for court.
Cases like you should just give
cases.
us. Okay.
And instances of terrorism.
Okay.
Where they want to showcase some witnesses on the request of the lawyers and on the agreement of the judge. Say because maybe if they expose the witness to the public, that witness go there at risk. The lawyer will request the judge will consider on the strength of the argument presented, and then decide whether or not to protect that witness from public view. If they reach that level, we don't see them, it don't happen here.
Okay, we also see the case of Princess where they won't play that sexual molestation tape.
That one because the case involved a minor.
Okay.
You know they showcase minor involved in that kind of case publicly because of the trauma where the thing caused them in the future.
Okay.
So the court is they take the responsibility to protect that minor from public gaze.
All right.
Journalists know all those ones.
Okay.
You don't hear anybody they shout about that one. What happened for Lagos?
Okay.
So anybody complain? So they clear. It's ideal. That's standard.
So they clearly they talk say the case of Sunday Igboho and the case of Nnamdi Kanu.
Whether we like them or not, in addition, before they contemplate the other charges where they knock on top of their head, they are first of all political agitators. They are first of all political agitators. You understand? Before the other allegate where government they consider to knock on top of their head. So this case, it first be political case before it become anything else. And to that extent, even when not treason as alleged, really nothing stop anybody from actually following the process, because at this time the government reputation they at stake. If you don't allow full public coverage of what they happen, it means say something where they go on if you know they're correct. All
right, we just hold on for there right about now because of time. And Triple Chief, I know the matter they go on, they boiling for body anyhow as they concern this Nnamdi Kanu matter and this Sunday Igboho matter. Even you as a Republican way out there, you said believe that they do to shake your mouth, but we tell you say Republicans, feel free sending your text message, WhatsApp message as you want to contribute for inside the gist here. Sending your messages they come
09094 901 9019 be the place where you need to send your message, SMS, that's text message or WhatsApp message, or you go on top our Facebook at Lasgidi FM 901. We don't drop the topics that we talk about for there. You can go there, go in your comment room when you finish. As they pay you for body, send us message for on top our Facebook.
Again, that number is 09094 901 901. Triple Chief Chapali.
The
the matter?
Because you whether the ship man say you want swallow
the
my
oxygen.
Now you dey do the matter. You wey be say they see your mouth. You want swallow the mic.
You know, when we enter the studio, and old school was telling you that there are times you just have to relax because you can't kill yourself. Because the matter of Nigeria has gone beyond something you can be boiling. You know, at the point in time of that Nigeria like this, then you know say when you are saying Pami, you get to a point the matter of Nigeria has gone beyond. It's like the matter is going beyond normal now. Beyond. Because every day things that matter seems not to matter to the government. Now it's the issue of Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu and Igboho that matters to the government. People are dying left, right, forward, back. People are dying in tons and tens and hundreds. Government is less more than. Is it not? In our report, look from the report now. S-Men killed this one died. But government they are not even saying anything again. That's the problem. It's only Igboho and the other thing.
You know, just to sprinkle fuel for that your fire. So you don't say they still kidnap some people for Benin Auchi Road. They kidnap some students. So much sprinkle small fuel for them.
It's really now that people see those things as news to government. It's no longer news. It has become business as usual.
So you say government they give them more, they give more concentration, more attention to this matter than it deserves.
That's what they are doing now. Is there another way that we have to look at it? The bandits are operating. Nobody is even saying anything about that.
So if they say they stop the case, they made a fight.
The question I want to ask you: how is the Kanu and the Igboho matter affecting you Nigerians?
Make we answer. Make I play devil advocate here.
Okay.
You know, say secession, a region, the ginger to comot from a federal system of government is against the constitution.
No.
Wait, it's against. Okay, sorry, make I rephrase. Make I rephrase am. Before una swallow me. Wait now, Chichi don't come again. Wait, it is against the law of federalism.
I say, Chichi, wait.
Is it wrong or right? Is it against the law of federalism? Secession dey against the law of federalism.
Secession different from agitation for secession. Agitation na agitation. Say I say I wan comot. No be say I don comot. Now when you declare say I don comot, now when you don violate the constitution.
But they ginger first. They agitate.
Yes. Normal ginger.
So wait. They try to say make government wait till they say I wan.
I'm gonna shock you. The charges where they caught, even the one against Nnamdi Kanu, the one where they contemplate against Sunday Igboho, you just say they mention say the breakaway as charges.
Okay, so not yet.
I tell you now.
Not yet.
It's only when you declare yourself a territory. Now that time you don't commit that crime. But say you say I don't want to stay again. Help me, I won't come out.
Okay, make I ask. Cho never begin they go on say people don't they wait now. We never hear rumors say some people they talk say make them divide the country.
I said to talk no be the crime.
But should it even be the conversation?
It should be in the conversation because
freedom of expression is still allowed.
People but you don't see as a freedom after expression. You don't see.
No. That's why I tell you. Say if you watch the case, check the charges. There's no part of that charges where mentions say they break away.
So agitation.
The only thing where government, as in terms of the membership of Nnamdi Kanu and group. Yeah. Now on the strength of say the court be prescribed IPOB. So the charge where relate to that one, I say belonging to a proscribed group. No charge say threatening to break away.
All right, Shapali. No, Shapali. We don't.
Oh, why?
Giving the government options. They say restructure. If you don't restructure, things can no longer continue to the way it used to be. You don't restructure. People want to go. You are saying they cannot go. A good father and a good parent, for that matter. If your children are asking for this or that, you want to know why they are asking for that thing. Everybody that want to break away, why do they want to break away? That's the question. But you are not even giving listening ear to what they are saying, because there must be a reason. Before now, many Nigerians were not crying that we want to go away, we want to break away, we want to go our own way. Why are people crying? It's because of bad governance. Things are no longer the way it used to be. Things have gone bad, and that's why everybody wants to be on their own. When you are in a place, you don't feel there is no sense of belonging. You are just claiming I'm in Nigeria. Let me tell you, let me ask you. I think I've asked you this question before. As a Nigeria, what have you benefited from this country? As in Nigeria, what are we benefiting?
I can answer you that question by the time we come back from this break because we need to just go set small market. We don't go far. We'll just salam smooth and we'll come back to enter the matter. Say we discuss on top People Republic. We'll already let you know. So all the matter we discuss this morning on top Facebook at Lasgidi FM 901. Go there. You could see all the major headlines that stay concerning news today for there. Any of the headlines will interest you. Comment. When time Prince Prostate will take all your committer messages and we'll go read your message. Come aside. Or you send in text message or WhatsApp message.
They come 09094 901 901 09094 901 901.
All right, before the post go Canada and for Washington, we continue with the matter with the grand here on top People Republic. Welcome back from that short break, 90.1 Lasgidi FM. Now that you can for this beautiful Tuesday, 27th July 2021 morning. Already with on top People Republic, and of course the three wise men are inside the building. My name is Anointed Mouth, Lasgidi Mouthpiece, or total one of Lasgidi FM, and of course Akakia with
Original Siseko herself, Chichi.
All right, based on say the matter with the grand here because of time, we'll just chapali fire down, so that we fit make sure say we use the most and the best of the time so we get this lovely morning. On top of the Republic this morning, we already established for the table here. Say President Muhammadu Buhari don't travel go United Kingdom for 2 weeks for summit and for medical checkup.
We also tell us the Department of State Services DSS don't fail to produce Nnamdi Kanu for trial yesterday, and court don't adjourn the matter go October 21, 2021.
We also let know say the case as stay concerned Sunday Igboho trial they continue today for inside Cotonou. We'll enter the next matter. Before we enter the next matter here, I don't know, Opa, you could just help me do them in less than 20 seconds if possible. The approach, because I know say, as we talk about this matter, many people would talk from different angles as they listen to all this morning. The approach when federal government, they used to address this matter as they consign these agitations them. To you, they feel do better.
Of course, plenty room there for improvement. Actually, plenty room there for improvement. Let's begin with the Nnamdi Kanu issue. Of course, now you get the knack for your head. That one stay there. When you accuse person, despite the accusation, that person still there presumed innocent under our law until proven guilty by a court of competent jurisdiction. And I think government be saying, are you the accused person? You're supposed to prepare your ground well before you carry person, hold on. So you don't do one. You're supposed to prepare your ground to speed up that process so that the person will end up where you're supposed to be either prison or you set them free. Because right now there is no, it don't make any sense say you catch person. Now this very matter, no be new matter, because remember, Nnamdi Kanu they bring them back now continuation of trial. Not even on any new charge yet, as of today. No new charge. Now, continuation of trial, where we don't happen since 2015. You can't jump back 2017, and you don't go back and come back. Waiting stop that trial from continuing yesterday. Waiting with that logistics, we actually delay the movement of Nnamdi Kanu from DSS to where the court did. Where I'm sure say not just a matter of a few kilometers. Waiting with that strength of the logistic way for delay. So I think the government supposed, actually show integrity in this matter. As they adjourned that matter for over a month until yesterday, government supposed to show responsibility and also defend integrity by following through with the order of the process of court, bringing Nnamdi Kanu to court yesterday, and that matter either for continue. The truth is that court they're on vacation already. So definitely that matter for not even cross beyond that yesterday. So why you be not bring them come before the court? A whole room, plenty room for improvement actually there right now.
All right, you don't hear them say, yes, there's a room there for federal government to do better and stay concerned all this matter when it concerns agitation for inside our country. You will say the list as a Republican that you use, how you see all this report them. We say they come as and you send us your text message, WhatsApp message. They come 09094 901 901. The next matter I want to talk about this morning. Again, man. It kind of won't sound like good news. Come like for just kill ram. Make we do pepper soup.
If let's say they share,
make we rejoice.
Small.
But of course, when abnormality they want to normal thing, now problem already. When they say for here now say 4 more abducted students of the Bethel Baptist High School for Kaduna State. They say they don't regain their freedom. Yesterday we telling us say about 28 of them regain their freedom. This morning we hear say 4 don't regain their freedom to join that 28, making them about 32 in 2 days. How na see this one? I get on that matter with Fulham. We could just sharply establish so that they will trump Tunas.
Even as this wanted to happen, even though some students they regain their freedom, some headsmen we carry weapon don't buy like 3 people for Uzowani, local government area of Enugu State.
Before. Now 4.
Well, we say for punch say 3.
They would say 10 people.
Some say 10 wound.
They say 10 they miss.
Some say 10 miss. Some say 4 wound. Different story now we hear, but some people die, some people they miss. For it, you say it when they come back.
Make Shapali hear your take concerning this one, Triple Chief Shapali. Before I don't know where they come back from. But we hear you, Triple Chief Shapali.
You know, it's just funny to me that most of the time now we come here to talk about Nigerians dying. You kill 2, you kill 3, you kill 4. We are just killing Nigeria like as if we are killing chicken. It doesn't even me growing up. We used to see it and watch it international stations. So you see people dying. I'm saying no, like this thing cannot be happening in Nigeria. It's even happening in Nigeria. Koro in our eyes, like they just killing people as if they tomorrow no day, and the government is just folding arms. And they are not doing anything about it. Come, you are saying people should not break away, people should not go their own separate ways. If some people have turned themselves to terror against other people, and only in the name of Kweku are the one in power. No, things need to change. You cannot continue this way. Okay, where we are jubilating that they regain freedom. Those parents. Yesterday I was telling you with the economic situation that Nigerians are going through now, the little they have to manage. Do you know what people are going through now? So people,
say we see pictures of these parents crying like if they say they cry, so they lament.
They have to sell their property, sell everything just to raise money to release their children. This is not a country of our dream. This is not the way a democratic country should run. Things are going out of hand. This is a banana republic.
You say banana republics. They even shut it down.
No. But the matter is going.
Make I ask Dr. Osko something.
The ones who can policy because things need to change. We need to do something about this thing.
When some reporters been go about they make some inquiries as that what it bring us the wahala where these headsmen begin they fight, they kill some people for this local government. They talk say they enter inside, they carry their cows, they graze for somewhere open farm settlement without permission, and they tell the same they come out say na there fight take start on Sunday night. For you know, yesterday now they come back with weapon, begin the fight, can't care about 3 people for this one. How people go fit protect themselves differently? Only you get your own farm. Make we assume say this thing not true. Only you get your own farm. Some people can't graze for there. You say, abeg, carry your cow, come out. This thing can happen to anybody. How we fit protect ourselves differently from this situation? Make we not wait for person to die. Then police go come settle issue. How we fit do this one differently?
You know, as you try to answer this one here, I just to portray what's in Chichi to talk answer this question here. I just see a video. I think over the weekend, some woman they cry with video. They all say, see them. For the video, they show cow. We say they don't uproot her granite when she plant. They don't chop them. It's just they show. Say see them, see them, see them. So true. As Chichi asks, how we go fit? How these farmers them go fit to protect themselves?
Not to employ vigilante, or for every community make them get their own vigilante, even if not to the sponsor and with small thing financially, because you know go fit just leave somebody 2 or 3 people for like 10 acres land make it a farm, because now so it be naturally before when we dey go come wey wahala never come. You fit see like 4 people or 5 people dey for a very vast land, they do their farming. As sunset they set, they go begin pack their ngongo, they go house, problem no dey dey. But as it don't happen now, say na herdsmen dey intercept their business for inside their farm. Now to look for people, make backup dey corner, and then they get hot for inside farm, and they fit increase the number of hot wey dey within the space of that their farm. And some people fit just dey there, or still trees dey some of those farm, make dem put camera. Yes, make them put camera.
For rural area.
Why not? You know possible.
Who will put camera? For also one in local government area.
Listen, now solution you ask me, and it plenty.
Okay.
And the one where you feel use, now you go use for inside.
Right.
Now people go come out as vigilante now. We go lay ambush just in case. Now people go still if you get that ability, go still put a camera for different position because now they never prescribe any of these Fulani herdsmen wey dey do this thing. They never hold one person say okay you be Fulani herdsmen or you be elder you kill one farmer come go 3 months in prison or pay this fine or even agree. So maybe if they will get all this kind of thing we see hand hold one person or camera catch one person we go fit know say okay this thing na truth because if you call these people out now you no go see anything do them, police no go hold them, government no go talk anything good. So these people wey dey carry farm now their life dey at risk. Okay now make I give you one this thing. Anybody fit quarrel wetin give the other person right to kill the other person? No be law no be law e take it to im hand. The constitution no talk say make anybody not take law into their hands. So wetin government dey do to those people wey dey take laws into their hand koro for broad daylight? So I tire this kind of question they still need to ask another person.
All right, Shabba, make I hear from you, Okpai. We just take a round of abeg. We just do a sharp.
You know, Gerard, one of that day we talk about the way these things they go on. I mentioned that me the suspect say it get some kind of arrangement where these headers get among themselves, so that they get the impression say they get an armed wing. Now armed wing. When they get now, see as it happen for this community for Enugu State, they get the headers, the ones we come with animal, get disagreement with the people of that community. They say make they no grace, may they leave their house, may they leave their land, their area. They leave, and then in the night, the armed group come attack that community. Nobody those people we carry cow, the armed group come attack that community. Now this is not the point to which I remember at some point. At that time where the argument they did whether people protect themselves, you know, we hear at some point that Mietiala people say they don't set up their own security outfits. Remember, this one the public knowledge say they don't set up. I they believe say it gets something like that where they in operation. Where most people know actually no. You see they say cattle rearers around you, not knowing say they get some kind backing in case they get happen. So I believe now which they go on. Right. And why this one they go on are because of failure of security. Bam. Why security not supposed to for these communities? You understand? You get police almost in every local government, some local government more than one police divisions or police outposts. Why they not spread their tentacles, their presence to communities, so that if something they happen, they will actually feel respond immediately. Because our times government don't make them very difficult for even communities to set up vigilantes where they're equipped to actually deal with this kind of problem. How many local vigilantes get AK-47 where they fit take actually protect their people from bandits or armed herdsmen who carry AK-47? So failure of security now, I think they actually give us this problem on the face, and that government actually need to pay attention to. Like we sing them every day, we sing them until they begin to do the right thing. All right,
Shabba, by time for us to begin hear from you as a Republican that you is. We say you did listen to us since as this matter been totalized on top of number 101 station. That's Giddy 90.1 FM. All you need to do and to make sure say you send us text message or WhatsApp message, or you go on top Facebook at Las Giddy FM 901. Las Giddy FM 901. You will see all the matter for the comment. When time is for us to go, your comment and message will be few minutes from now. We'll go look into that message, or you send a text message or WhatsApp message.
If you send a come 09094 901 901 09094 901 901.
All right, before I call the phone, let me let you know. So yes, so you get equal 1 minute to take Marshall your point. So I beg, if you pass 1 minute, we'll go off the mic. And of course, I want you to talk to us and make use the radio on friendly words. With that one out of the way, the number to take a green the phone line here. Now 0700 901 901 901.
Las Giddy FM.